Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do division. We'll start by understanding what division truly means. It's all about sharing a total number of items equally among a certain number of groups. For example, if you have 10 cookies and want to share them equally between two friends, division helps you figure out how many each friend gets. We'll explore simple ways to grasp this fundamental math concept. Next, let's explore how to use everyday objects or drawings to solve division problems. Imagine you have 12 toy cars and want to put them into 3 equal boxes. You can physically place one car in each box until they are all gone. Or, you can draw 12 circles and then group them into threes. This hands-on approach makes the concept of sharing very clear and easy to understand. Another excellent way to understand division is through repeated subtraction. Let's say you want to divide 15 by 5. You start with 15 and subtract 5, leaving 10. Then subtract 5 again, leaving 5. Finally, subtract 5 one more time, reaching 0. You subtracted 5 3 times, so 15 divided by 5 is 3. This shows how many groups of 5 are in 15. Finally, mastering basic division facts is crucial. Just like with multiplication, regular practice helps these facts become second nature. For instance, knowing that 3 times 4 equals 12 immediately tells you that 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. Aim to practice facts involving numbers up to 24 to build a strong foundation for more complex math later on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.